Okay, we got ourselves here a Charger, real nice one, a 2020, 392. So what we end up doing is adding the shock sensor to the factory alarm. These are the real nice rims that come with this car right now. So you definitely don't want to play with this, because whoever has a 2017 and 2018 would love to upgrade their rims and tires. You definitely don't want to be waking up in the morning and having your car sitting on 4 bricks. So I'm going to show you what happens before the installation. We're going to get ready to bang on the tire. Nothing happens. Bang on the window, nothing happens. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and install the shock sensor on the vehicle, and then I'll show you the difference now between not having the shock sensor and having the shock sensor. We'll be right back. All right, we got the kit installed. I'm going to go ahead and show you the first thing. I'm going to go ahead and bang on that first tire. Bang on the window. Fires off the alarm. And then we'll do the other side real quick, and that will conclude the video on this 2020 392 Hemi Charger. They did a real nice job on the car. The sound system, you know, sounds pretty impressive. Everything is touchscreen. You know, they changed the rims a lot. It's a real sharp looking car. A little pricey, but it's sharp. I'm gonna go ahead and do this tire here on this side. This is from the passenger side. Okay, our numbers are 305-298-4814. That's 305-298-4814. We're based out of Miami, Florida. We do have mobile service. If anybody who watches this video and is sitting in another state, don't worry, you can still give us a call, and then we can guide you how to get this installed. We thank you for watching this video. Stay safe out there.